Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at Google's new Deep Research. It was rolled out earlier, but now it's free for free users. You will have access to Google Gems as well, which is like even more powerful way of using AI. I think this is one of the best deep research tool that's now available for free. Gemini users can try deep research a few times a month at no cost, and Gemini advanced users get expanded access to the deep research to save even more time on their complex project. That means we get access only a few times a month. Even that cap is a monthly basis, not on a daily basis. So if you used up all your queries, which we don't know how many at this point in time, we'll have to actually figure it out by actually exhausting our quota. I think that's the only way to check it out. But I just got the news and I am just sharing it right now with you guys. Let's look at how we can use this. First, go to gemini.google.com, and now when you log in you can see these options like a deep research and personalization experimental. What this means is that you need to give access to your Google account, and based on your search history, Google Gemini will give you more like personalized answer. Yeah, I will not be using that for now, but the thing that I am most interested in deep research, and I did like a query to test this out. So I asked it to, I want you to research about the best AI models out there and sort it based on their context window. And it went through a lot. And you can also like edit its plan. You can correct the AI's path if you feel like that's not the right way to do research. Then you can do that as well. Yeah, and look at what it delivered: a long list of AI models and egg table, and you can see the number of sources it's using, and you can also see like the thought process behind the query. And you can also, if you click on this button, you can export it as Google Doc. And this is by far the best answer that I got when I compared it with the other free deep research tool. I used, for example, I used Grok, the same query, and what it gave me was like it did not even include Claude 3.5 Sonnet or 3.7. It completely missed that. I don't know like how it missed those models, so really I'm not that happy. And when I asked Perplexity the same query, it gave me like a paragraph kind of answer. And it's really difficult for me to easily understand what this is. But yeah, it did some search, but I would expect the answer to be in a table since we are asking for a list. If I search it, there is no mention of 3.7, right? Claude 3.7 is not mentioned. So these are the two competitors that I used. The best deep research tool right now is hands down this Gemini's deep research model, because of the large context window that Gemini models have and the ability to crawl the internet. So they are doing a lot of improvements to their models, and now it's in a state where we can use it reliably for most of our use cases. So this is one thing. And yeah, if you want to do, let's ask the Google's new deep research, is there any usage cap for free users? I have just enabled deep research. Let's see if, see, it's asking me to like search for the information about the new research initiative or product recently announced by Google, if such initiative exists. So if I can just click, I can now edit it. So I can ask the AI for corrections. Go ahead. The earlier query that I did used around 135 website. So it's, as the name suggests, it's doing like deep research. From the official documentation, there is no mention about actually the usage limit. It says that it's limited for some queries and it only resets per month. So let's see if it can find any new information. I don't think it can find that information because it's just got released. So yeah, the knowledge will be very limited. But this is just to show you how it looks like, how the deep research would look like, and the steps involved in actually preparing this for us. While that's happening, I'll just show you like something called Gem Manager, which was like only accessible for the paid users. I think I'll be using this more now, because if you click on, what it can do is like you just click on new gem, give it a name and give it an instruction, and you can also add knowledge bases. So you can add images, files. Google can add data directly from Google Drive. And for the limit, as you can see, you can upload up to 10 files at a time, and the limit is 100 MB. And if you are uploading like a code base, then the maximum number of files should be like 1000 files, and like a limit of 100 MB. As you can see, it supports a lot of different file types: CSV, XLS, PPTX, TXT, doc, PDF. So it supports a lot of file. So you have that flexibility to provide the knowledge that you want. So it's a really powerful tool. I would highly encourage you to use it if you are not actually using it. For just want to show you like how good it is. I just created like a new gem here. I'll just click on edit and show you like what this will do for you. This is like a YouTube video data generator. That means I will give it like a YouTube video transcript. Then based on that, it will generate like a YouTube video title, description, and I have some guidelines for it to know it use certain words, and it will give me like some YouTube video tags and things like that, so that I can upload my videos very fast using AI. And for knowledge, I can add even more. I can do my own research of like how to write a good YouTube video title, YouTube video description, things like that, and I can then feed it to this knowledge base. That will enhance the knowledge even better, so we can train it on custom data. So that's what this does. It's really powerful. So use it to the fullest, because we can combine the prompt and the knowledge base and generate what we want, and the results will be far better than going to ChatGPT, who don't know anything about us, or any other language model for that matter. So what I'll be doing is, I have a YouTube video that I did yesterday that talks about the automated image editing feature that we discussed in the last video. So I'll copy the transcript of that video here, and I'll just paste it here. So I have the YouTube video transcript, and what I'm going to do is I am just going to click submit, and as you can see, it's giving me like a YouTube video title, some description, hashtag, and YouTube video tags separated by comma, exactly what I asked. You can see the power of this tool actually, right? You can use it for many use cases. This is just the one use case that I do on a daily basis. This is all now available for free, and yeah, this can really help you speed up your workflows. So definitely try that out. It did the research, right? So Google usage cap for free users. Let's see. It has got that table here, free users. So you can see, right, a few times per month it really picked that information. This was the main key information that was in the release news, if a few times per month. So you can see how good this is, right? I think this is the best and reliable research tool, and that's available to the public as of today. So I would really encourage everyone to do research if you have free limits, and if you can pay for it, much better, but most of us prefer it to use for free. Yeah, and I think this is really good. And as the official news suggests, expanded users, expanded user and expanded access for the Gemini advanced users. So this is the main point that we were looking for, and it provided that correctly. And you can see it went through a lot. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Click that thumb and join the dream. Stay in the loop with the latest vibe. Hit that bell, come on, subscribe.